We are major admirers of DJI Pocket cameras and are in awe of their capacity to produce 4K video that is physically stabilized and silky smooth while yet being portable. Since the DJI Pocket 2 was introduced in late 2020, we have been anxiously anticipating any information regarding the upcoming model. In fact, we were beginning to wonder if the DJI Pocket 2 would be the last in the company's line of Pocket cameras. However, a recently released image from a credible source seems to show the Pocket 3 in the wild with a fresh LCD screen. Therefore, there is still hope. Quandro News shared the picture on X, formerly known as Twitter, with the simple caption, "How interesting that DJI is testing Pocket 3 after all," together with a leaked picture that appears to show a DJI staff operating the camera, and it has a larger rear screen. Upon close inspection, it becomes apparent the screen is oriented in a landscape format. This orientation caused it to extend beyond the typically slender design of the Pocket camera series, resembling a stick-like shape. It remains unclear from the image whether the screen is permanently fixed in this position, or it can be adjusted, and whether this alteration affects the camera's usability. Nonetheless, this represents an intriguing evolution in the series of design. It also addresses a major concern we had with the previous models. The small touchscreen on those cameras was noticeably challenging to navigate, often forcing us to rely on the smartphone app to make precise adjustments to our settings. While we can only speculate about what's in store for us, there are a few things we're hoping to see. Our top wish list item is a larger sensor, which would enable a shallower depth of field and improve low-light performance. The latest Osmo Action 4 made a notable lead by incorporating a larger 1/1.3 inch sensor, surpassing the 1/1.7 inch sensor in the Action 3 and the Pocket 2. As a result, it has significantly better video quality without increasing the camera's overall size. Judging from the leaked images, it's reasonable to anticipate that the Pocket 3 might inherit the same sensor size, rather than the 1-inch sensor some of us had been hoping for, which would require a bulkier camera body. If DJI somehow manages to integrate a larger 1/1.3 inch sensor without having to expand the camera's dimensions alongside a more spacious screen for improved viewing, the Pocket 3 could potentially become the go-to pocket-sized vlogging camera. Hopefully, we won't have to wait too much longer to get the full details. The DJI Pocket to boast an impressive 4K 60 FPS recording capabilities. So, an enhancement to 100 FPS or 120 FPS for high-quality slow-motion footage would be a welcome addition. Again, it's challenging to ascertain from the image alone, but it does appear that the new model might have slightly larger dimensions compared to its predecessor. This potential size increase could translate into more space to accommodate a larger battery pack. The Pocket 2 featured an 875 mAh battery that delivered up to 140 minutes of usage. So, a bigger battery could potentially offer an even more remarkable runtime. Although, there's no official release date to pin down. The apparent confirmation of the Pocket 3 being in development, coupled with the recent unveiling of the Osmo Action 4 and its noteworthy enhancements in performance, potentially hinting at features that could make their way into the Pocket 3, certainly stirs up a significant amount of anticipation and excitement. That's all for today. Thanks for watching a video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.